before pre-oral defense. Guys, nagdayo namon jogging for the first time.
Yay! Nadayo ng jogging. Nara jogging ay ido.
Guys, good morning. It's me, Justin. And today, kadun ko sa eskwelahan because today is the day. And subong lang din hulat yung mga program, which is the pre-oral defense. So, I'm praying and hoping that this day would be a success and mayo ang resulta natin. As after pre-oral defense. Finally, we succeed on our pre-oral defense this morning, and currently I'm now walking may pagwa. Okay, pupunta na ako sa Balayes. I can still pwede naman, and face another challenges on the next upcoming days for our final and third days.